Ever found yourself buried under stacks of bank statements, wishing there was an easier way to manage them? Enter Quick2excel, the game-changing tool designed to streamline your financial management process. Quick2excel is an innovative solution that transforms the way you handle bank statements. Gone are the days of manual data entry and the never-ending struggle of plugging numbers into spreadsheets. With Quick2excel, you can effortlessly import your bank statements directly into Excel, saving you time and reducing the risk of errors. So, how does Quick2excel work? It's as simple as 1, 2, 3. First, you download your bank statement in CSV or Excel format. Next, you upload the file into Quick2excel. And just like that, in a matter of seconds, your bank statement data is neatly organized in an Excel spreadsheet. No more manual data entry, no more mistakes, no more wasted time. But the magic of Quick2excel doesn't stop there. This tool doesn't just import your data, it enhances it. Quick2excel enables you to categorize transactions, track your expenses, and monitor your financial health with ease. It's like having a personal accountant right at your fingertips. The benefits of Quick2excel are clear. Not only does it save you time, but it also provides a level of accuracy that manual data entry simply can't match. With Quick2excel, you can focus on what really matters, making sound financial decisions based on accurate, up-to-date information.